Are you cooking with dogs, Sasha?
Yeah. Hello. I'm George, and I'm cooking gyoza, like Sasha's. I've been playing all day, so I'm pretty tired. So, Mummy, how are we supposed to make gyoza again? Like, I'm a dog, okay? Dogs aren't supposed to make gyoza. It's strange. But I'm the dog, the first dog in the world to make gyoza. Yeah. Excuse me. I want to do something funny. No, don't tell me you're cutting them. I got some green.
So how did you go, Sasha?
Good. Okay, I don't want to cut my finger. I need to concentrate. If I cut my finger, and it'll hurt so much because it is a knife. That's how scared I am. Okay, so much I guess. This is actually pretty easy. Okay, shallots. I'm just cutting like shallots. Sharper knife. I just so scared, but not too bad actually. Looks nice actually. Looks like a green salad. Cutting up some garlic. Is this garlic? Oh yeah. Now we add the pork to the shallots right there. Oh, there's a little bit of meat in there already. Oh, it's breaking apart. Whatever. It's supposed to break apart. Time to mix soon. This one first. Okay. Tell me when to stop, okay, Mom? I don't want to pour too much. Okay. As I said before, this was a cooking sake. Just gonna
Sake or sake, you mean?
sake. Okay. Sake. Just sounds like sake. Okay. Is that all? Okay. Now let's put the sauce on. The yummy sauce on. Wait, what? This is a Panda brand oyster sauce. That's a cute panda. Huh. I like pandas even though they kill people. Which I really don't like about pandas though.
Well, when has a panda ever killed anybody?
Well, maybe you could have seen.
What, bored them to death?
No, they're like, okay, I'm gonna pour it in. Will this even move? Oh, it does move. One thing for sure is, hurry up. So pour it like that. Yay. Now we add sesame oil. Psst. You only need a drop, right? Oh, whoops. Just thinking drops. Can I squash it, like mix it now? Okay. Yay! Yeah. Ooh, slimy and cold at the same time. Oh my goodness, that's so cold. That's freezing cold. Oh, and at the same time, it's so nice. Oh, popping out like, I don't know what it is, but make sure you mix it properly, because you don't want so much of it just whisk it, because you're making gyoza, the best food in the world. I can't wait to eat gyoza. Make sure you wash your hands if you do this. because you don't want your germs to be in your family's food. Okay. Okay, my turn. My turn. Put the water, put it around so the water will stick together. You'll hold it. Don't just make a bit. Oops. At least it did not break apart, okay? At least, okay? It's still alive. Okay, good looking. Daddy! Bend it. This reminds me of one of the characters from Anpanman. Where there's Anpanman, which is a bread face. Please subscribe, like and share.